Alright, so we are at Cocoa Beach today. Because we felt like coming here. Alright, so we've been here for a couple of hours, which has been really nice. And I think we picked a really great spot to come to Cocoa Beach at, which is a little bit further south than where, like, I would say the pier is. I think the pier is like a good location to kind of relate to where we're at. But we're about like 2.5 miles south of the pier.
I don't even see the pier.
And there's like nobody here. You know, it's 10 o'clock and the beach is still not crowded, which is really nice. So we've been able to like kind of lay here, relax, take a nap, listen to the waves, and not have a bunch of people running around and like yelling and screaming and a bunch of kids, which has been really sweet. There's been a ton of guys out trying to surf, which has been cool to see too.
The surfing has been awesome. I'm thoroughly enjoying.
That guy's really nailing it.
Oh man! We are leaving the beach and we are gonna go get something to eat, and I think it's gonna be at one of these restaurants right along the beach. We gotta drive there though, so we're heading out.
Alright, so we are at Coconuts on the Beach here in Cocoa Beach, Florida for lunch, and I think it's going to be very good. Alright, so we have ordered drinks, and I ordered a drink, which was a rum runner, and Taylor took it, and I now have her drink because she didn't like it. So what I have is a pain in the ass, which is a half pina colada, half rum runner, and it's topped with a gold rum floater, and this is what it looks like. It's also served with a piece of pineapple. This is their house drink. I don't think it's too bad.
So I now have Josh's drink, but I got it in the souvenir coconut. It's a monkey coconut. It's gigantic, and it actually doubles as a piggy bank. So it's got a little coin slot in the top. But I have Josh's rum runner now, which is banana and blackberry liqueur. And I will show it to you. It's like a pink color. So it's got light rum and fruit mixes in there as well. That's really good. Sorry, Josh. So we got the calamari as an appetizer. It is hand battered, and it also comes with some peppers, and it's served with a marinara sauce on the side. But all of this is tossed in like a bangin' sauce, and it's a little bit spicy, but it's really good. It's nice and tender. It's definitely a different flavor than you would expect for a calamari, but we were at the beach and not at like an Italian restaurant, so this is perfect.
I think the dipping sauce is good. It's like a marinara sauce, but I don't think that the calamari is really that great. Some of the pieces seem to be slightly overcooked, and they don't seem to be really seasoned very well. But I will say that the tentacles are still fantastic. That was good. The sauce is really what makes this right now. It's very good. Alright, so the food has come out, and due to my mistake, I ordered Taylor the wrong thing, so then I ordered her the right thing. So I got what she ordered, what I ordered for her first. Anyway. Alright, so I've gotten blackened Mahi fish tacos. It comes with like a arugula spring mix, a corn salsa, and that's served with a side of rice and beans. And then I've also got a pound of peel and eat shrimp. Something I was really looking forward to. I am slightly disappointed that this is the cocktail sauce and that it's not like a house-made cocktail sauce. I think that would be better. But it's also served with a garlic butter sauce as well, so I can dip into that. Looks fantastic. Very good. They're just steamed, so they're not like seasoned or salted or anything like that, which is fine. It's still good. Going in for the fish taco. It looks a little bit messy. It's very good. There's a Monterey Jack shredded cheese in there, mixed with the arugula salad and the corn salsa. Very good. I like it. The fish is cooked very nicely. I'm glad I made this mistake.
So I got the blackened shrimp tacos, which is basically the same thing as Josh's fish tacos, except it's with blackened shrimp instead. It looks really good. Ooh, that shrimp smells good. Normally when I go to a seafood place, I want crab or lobster or something like that. But this is perfect. It is a very hot afternoon here, and I wanted something that was going to be kind of refreshing. Now the shrimp is a little bit spicy because it's a blackened shrimp. With that corn salsa and the shrimp, it's like nice and light, nice and refreshing. Perfect for a beach day, which is sort of what we're having here. And then it's served with a side of rice and beans. And I'm really glad I got this. The corn salsa actually adds a really nice texture to it as well. So this is good.
So we just finished eating our coconuts on the beach. It was actually not too bad. It was pretty good.
No, it was pretty good. And I feel like we had a good day here at Cocoa Beach.
Yeah.
Got to see the sunrise.
We got to see the sunrise. We were only here for just like the morning. It's about noon now, so we're going to head back home. But overall, I think it's not too bad. It's not a bad place to come and eat, especially if you're just here for the day.
Yeah, they had like a huge bar menu and a huge food menu. So
yeah, they did.
Lots to choose from. So if you're actually going on a Disney cruise or any other cruise that sails out of Port Canaveral, this could be a good place for you to stop. And if you're going to be here for a whole day or just for an evening or whatever, they have live bands at night. So
yeah,
good place to check out. And they're open at like 8 in the morning for breakfast too.
And I guess that's it. We're going to head home now.
We are. Bye.